In the last video, we saw how we can set up Hermes desktop on a computer. But in this video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to show you how you can set up gateways in Hermes agent. So here we have the Hermes desktop and we have the gateways right over here. And the gateway that I'm going to show you how to set up today is Discord. And I have Discord open up right over here. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be setting up the Hermes agent in this channel right over here, Hermes desktop. And for that, you have to go to Discord developer platform, which you can access at discord.com developers/applications right over here. And you just have to log in and create a new application. So I'm just going to go ahead and say Hermes agent and I agree. Let's create that. Now, once you have your application, you have to go to boats right over here and you have to create a boat. So we need the boat token. And before that, you can go ahead and give it rights. So I'm going to give it the administrator rights. Pretty simple. And I am going to enable these intents. Make sure that you read these carefully because these are very crucial intents and statements that you should be aware of. Now, once you're done giving it all the permissions, just reset the board token. Once you copy that, you have to come back here and here you have to paste that in inside this input box which says Discord board token. Now the next step is to add Discord allowed channel IDs. This is optional, but you can still go ahead and get the channel ID by clicking here. And all you have to do is copy the channel ID right over here. Pretty simple. So that's it for the integration. But now we have to call the bot inside the server. So let's go ahead and do that. So for that, we have to head back to discord.com/developers. And here in the OAuth, I have to go ahead and select URL generator for my bot. So I'm just going to click on bot right over here and give it permissions. And I can just copy this right away. Let's just paste that right here. And now it's opening up the Discord app and is going to ask me which server do I want this Hermes agent bot to work in. So I want it to work in this server right over here. Let's continue and I'm going to authorize. Pretty simple. And as you can see, Hermes agent has been added and authorized to my server. So as soon as I mention the Hermes agent in this channel that I added to the channel ID, you can see that it created a thread which goes like speak to me because I said that. And we have this thread right over here. So here I can ask it, hey, what's up? And it's going to talk to me. And as you can see, we have a response right here. Not much, just hanging out in the Discord. What about you? Anything I can help you with? And notice how it reacts to the messages and also adds expressions and emojis. So let's go ahead and ask it, what are the current petrol prices in US? And let's see if it can access the internet and give me the prices. And as you can see, it generated the URL, which is right here, and also a message with the national average prices in East Coast, New England, Central Atlantic, and Lower Atlantic. I can just click on this URL right over here, and this should open up the gasoline and diesel fuel prices right over here. Pretty amazing. So this means that we can surf the internet, the web, and search stuff, and everything is being done by our Hermes agent. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys know how to set up Hermes agent in your Discord and how to utilize this. There are tons of different applications of Hermes agent in these gateways. So I'm going to be making more videos on it in the future. With that said, let's wrap this video up and I'll see you in the next one.